Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make money with Wix Studio. So for this video, we are going to use the Wix Studio to build our store or a landing page for the products that we are selling. So basically, the products that we are going to sell from Timo, and we are going to sell it using the Timo affiliate link. Okay, so as you can see, we have two tabs right here. So the other tab is for Wix Studio, and for this one is for Timo. Now, the first thing that we should do here is we have to log into our Wix Studio. And then here, what we're going to do is to create a new site. So we are going to start with Studio Template. And later on, I will show you as well on how you can start with Studio Blank Canvas. Okay, so right here, you just have to choose a template and start customizing. Okay, so right here at the top you have the search bar, so you just have to search for store or a specific template that you want to use for your affiliate links. Okay, for example, products or store, so I'm just going to try product page. Okay, and as you can see right here at the top left, you can see the browse by option. So when you click on this one, you'd be able to see your different categories. So under the type, we have here the e-commerce and portfolio. For the features, we have the stores and bookings. So let's try to use a template from the store category. Okay, so you just have to find a store that is related to the product that you are selling. Okay, so I think I'm going to use this one. And from there, you can now start customizing this template. So from all of the elements that you can see in this page, you can basically replace them with elements that you want to use. And right here at the top left, you can see here the pages. So we have here the category page, the cart page, the thank you page, and of course your product page. Okay, so that's how you can customize and start building your store for your affiliate link so that you can make money using the Studio template. Okay, so now let's proceed on how we can create a site from scratch. So just simply click on the Studio blank canvas and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And right here, I'm just going to, use one page for this example and one section. So the first thing that we should do here is to change the business name and the business logo. So as you can see right here, the top left, you have your business name. So I'm just going to edit the text and then type out right here affiliate link or affiliate page. And then here I'm going to change the logo. So of course, if you have your own branding, you can upload media from your computer. But for this one, I'm just going to use this from Wix. Next is I'm going to change the color of the background. So just go here the right side and then you can customize your section. Okay, so I think I'm going to use this color and then click on apply after that. Now I am going to add here, I think 6 boxes or cells. So just simply click on the add elements option at the top left and then you just have to go to the layout tools. So this one below the containers, and you'll be able to see here the section grids. So I'm going to use this one. So you just have to simply drag and drop or click on it and it will be automatically added to your section. Now let's add here the media. But of course, where can we get the media? From Timo or from the product that we are going to sell using our affiliate link. So go back to Timo and then scroll down all the way to the bottom and go to the affiliate and influencer earn commission. Now just wait for a couple of seconds and then right here go to the hat item section and you'll be able to see here different products that you can share. And if someone purchases product using your affiliate link, of course you'd be able to get your commission. So what we're going to do here is to simply click on the product that you want to sell. So you just have to basically save the image of that specific product because we are going to use that. But for this one, I have an alternative if you cannot find or if you cannot download the PNG type of this image. So I'm using snipping tool and I'm going to take a screenshot for this product. And then after that, make sure to save it in your folder where you can find it immediately. Okay, so I'm going to put this image right here. And then after that, go back now to your Wix Studio. Okay, so let's go here And then after that, we can get the link by clicking on the share, but let's go back to Wix Studio for now. Okay, and then here click on the upload media and then click on upload media from computer. And then after that, just click on it and click on add to page. So just wait until the media is uploaded. Now you can click on the add to page option and you'll be able to see here now your product image. Next thing that we should do is to add a button. Okay, so click on the add elements option at the top left of your screen and go to the button section. Okay, so this one, and then you just have to choose what basic buttons you want to use. But for this one, I'm going to use this button. You just have to simply drag and drop the button and then place it right here. Next thing that you should do is to change the text of this button and add here the link. So I'm just going to type out buy now, and then here just have to click on this linked icon. And then for the what you want to link to, so we are going to select web address and what's the web address or the URL. So now go back to Timo and click on the share option below the product. Okay, that's right, and click on the copy linked option. So you can find the link right here. Just click on it and go back to Wix Studio. Okay, then paste the link in this field. Now click on done after that and you can close this section. Now let's add our second product. So let's go back to Timo. Okay, so I am going to sell this product as well. Okay, so I think this one would do. So just click on the product, and again you can use a snipping tool or other tool to get the image of this product. So currently I'm using snipping tool because I believe this one is convenient for me. Okay, now just save it in your folder where you can find it immediately and then click on save. Now go back to your Wix Studio, or you can simply copy the link from here on Timo. So copy the link and go back to your Wix Studio. Now just add here the media or the product image. So now click on upload from computer. Select your product and click on open until wait for a couple of seconds, and then after that you can now click on the add to page option. Okay, that's right. And then let's add here now the button for our second product. So just go to the add elements option and go to the buttons and then select the same button layout. Now click on it and then change the text as well and add here the link. So just type out buy now and then click on the link, then select a web address and paste here the link. So when you're going to click on the button, you'll be directed to the product page. And if someone purchases one, and since we are using our affiliate link, we'd be able to get our commission from Timo. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, leave your comment below. Bye.